Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Kling AI subscription. So first of all, you want to go to your plans. So for example, I'm just going to click here upgrade because I don't have a plan here anymore. So first of all, you will see here manage at the top. You're going to click manage, and on membership plans you will see this option. So you will see your subscription, and then you will see cancel option. It can also be cancel subscription button or this one. Now, after you have clicked on that cancel button, you will need to log into your account. Now, the email you use, if you will not receive an email from them when you write down your email with which you have created Kling AI account, you want to try the email that you have Stripe with and or auto logged onto with your card on it. So just make sure to try both of the emails. It usually is the one which the Stripe is. Now, once you have done that, you should get an email to cancel the subscription, and after that you will get a confirmation that you have canceled your subscription, and you will be redirected to this page. And that's pretty much how it works. So you will no longer see active plans here anymore. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.